I say them streets, they done turn me to a mob. Oh, back, I blew that on my mom. On my dog.
I'm Hold up. Hold up.
Call 911.
Call 911.
Joey!
Call 911.
Joey! My red dog! My fucking rib! My fucking rib, dog! Hey! Oh, shit, watch out! Watch out! I got a broken rib! I got a broken rib, move!
What the fuck did he do?
I'm not gonna run over here!
Huh?
Stolen vehicle, helmet, gun for you! Don't go here!
Don't run.
Come on, don't come
I tell you, you better sit down. Sit down.
Yeah!
Sit your ass down.
Hey! We're right here on Sherman Road! Please stop! Put the screwdriver down! Please stop!
Copper stopper here. I guess this guy stole this truck.
You hear me? Don't do it!
Hey, don't do it.
That's my vehicle! I'll shoot you! I will shoot you! Police
And you're going to jail.
I will shoot you!
My wife's a cop too.
You ain't gonna shoot.
Get the fuck near me! That's vehicle assault! I will shoot you too!
Do it on the fucking phone. Back the fuck up.
You better calm the fuck down. You hit me, you gonna have a bad fucking day.
Last three has been 2295.
Let me stop by
It's
myself!
right here. 1AC
Let me
606.
stop by myself! No! Sit! I can't! I will! Please! Please!
I'll take you down.
Hi, my wrist!
Sit.
Stay down! Stay down! I'll talk to you!
I think we're past talking, little guy.
I just do this.
Yes, you did. This truck's stolen.
That's my grandson's truck.
He tried to act like it was his. He tilted. He got a flat head trying to start it.
Oh, move that truck towards us!
Hey, you better slow down.
You about to get fucked up.
I can't!
Sit down.
Fuck off me!
Sit down. Shut the fuck up.
You better keep your ass on the ground.
Sit down.
Report off!
What? Boss, you reporting this guy?
Yeah, I got him.
No, Rick, go get his
We
ass.
got this fucking guy trying to ram people and shit,
Help me!
threatening people with his truck.
Mike!
Don't worry about it. Put your damn ready.
Mikey! Mikey!
It's on his truck.
Hey, you call the police?
Yeah, police on the way.
No, come on.
They gonna be involved.
No, it ain't nothing. It's past that.
Joey!
You better sit down. You better sit down, man. I'm gonna bust you in the leg.
I know that's right.
Bust you.
Go ahead, motherfucker.
Sit your ass down. Move, motherfucker. I'm gonna bust you upside your head for stealing my grandson's truck. I don't give a fuck. You stole the motherfucker.
Stolen vehicle on Truman Highway. I've been waiting on the police to get here.
Turn this truck off, Mike.
Hey!
Screwdriver's right there in the back.
I said sit your ass down. I'm gonna bust him upside his head. And you know what? You better tell me who you try to run.
I'm not.
Try to fucking run. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Hey, look. I'm gonna bust you upside your
I just want
head.
to talk to you. That's it. That's
Hey,
me.
you
Right
know
here,
what I
road
said?
35 South.
Sir. I did. I probably could have got right
Hey, what's the Air Rescue gas station? 83 on
Come on, I just got out, dog.
I don't give a fuck.
You going back today?
I didn't steal it, dog. All my kids, I didn't steal it.
Doesn't matter. You got it.
I didn't know.
Man, I want to bust you upside your fucking head, man.
But you know how hard it is
Stole
to
his
work with
fucking
somebody here?
lawnmower and his damn trailer.
I just had a
I don't steal
$10,000
anything.
truck stolen.
Hey, sir. Sir.
Keep an eye on it.
I don't steal from people. I steal from stores. When I'm not stealing, I steal from stores. I didn't steal from people. I don't steal from people. That's why they work hard. I have. It's all right to steal from people. I don't steal from people.
Oh, we don't got that in there. We got it sitting on the ground.
This fucking coward over here trying to run people over with his truck. Get your bitch ass out and do something.
That's some party in that truck, man.
Hey, this is what I do.
Hey, you loyal to me, though.
All right, dog.
He loyal to you, though.
Look at my grandson and come. He done shot your ass.
Hey, you guys have all rights. It's your truck, it's your truck. Like I said, I know I'm in the
It's my
process of mine.
motherfucking truck.
I know, I understand.
Why are you trying to jump in the car and take off?
I'm in the process of mine.
You already know what the rap was when you walked out.
Came to the wrong gas station today, Jack.
You're showing the fuck in, dude.
No, but all rights you guys have right. Fuck out. You know what I'm saying? But God's honest truth, I did not know it was stolen.
That's wireless.
Hey, you I know it's stolen. You got a screwdriver, bro.
But his truck's his
You got a screwdriver.
No, both his trucks
It's in his grandson's name right there.
That's his name.
That's my fucking name, Wallace.
I just
You
bought
box a motherfucker, you going to jail, motherfucker. You lucky to go to jail. I want to kill you, man. Hello. I got y'all in truck right here, fucking Truman Road. I'm gonna bust this son bitch upside his fucking head. Son of a bitch. I'm right here, corporate.
I'm ready.
But on God's honest truth, I did not know it was stolen.
Yeah. He come over here trying to run over people. He's getting shot today.
That's his button.
He going to jail too.
Oh, I know.
Tell him to get the fuck out of here. Let me speak here. No, we don't do shit like that, man. It's just we work hard for our shit.
I know you guys do.
We ain't trying to take nothing from nobody that ain't ours.
So where the trailer and lawnmower?
I have not done.
Oh, did you go find out? I'm about to find out.
I just get $300 for it.
So who you got?
John Green.
You're done with it.
Scrap for more than that.
How much did he say?
300. Didn't know it's stolen. Come on now.
No, you gotta have it. You know that.
Came with a screwdriver for
Jump out with
$300.
a screwdriver,
Right.
Man, come on, man. I would have done the same thing. Nobody got a ride on. Don't get you wrong.
You don't want to? You going to jail? You can have a cigarette. I gotta get a lighter.
No, it don't matter. I got my man. This is my food. Don't even worry about it. I'm
I
at
don't
the
know.
gas
That's not
station.
how much my truck is.
You guys have all rights, dog.
Gas station.
Like I said, I'm sorry, I was in the process of it.
On Truman Road at 435.
Man, by the time I'm done, my racing car.
You almost got him broken loose.
Come on, bro. I played the game before.
Yeah.
My dad.
Like I said, there is zero.
You know what? You know who got the rest of this shit. Hey,
I just bought the truck. I said, I just bought it.
Your buddy said give you a lighter for that cigarette.
all right.
Mike,
Truman Road.
so you're good, dog. I just got the truck in.
That's up to him. This ain't my truck. This is his truck.
Yeah, what? Fuck no, you gonna take a shower down in jail, man.
Everything just got robbed. Everything I own just got
Well,
robbed.
everything got
Bag
took
in the
from
front.
me.
Bag in the front.
There's a bag in there and my water.
Everything just got took from my grandson. And his fucking lawnmower.
Sorry, I mean, I can ask John Green. I give him Joey.
You want to give me your cigarette case and shit too?
Let's see.
You know
Right, the
what?
torch.
You
You wanna
better
give me
hope
your
you
torch?
get in for my grandson.
Here, you want to have your
I
torch?
know that's right. You lucky it went this well. In this neighborhood,
Yeah, we change our
we
ways,
don't
bro.
fuck around over
We
here.
try to change our fucking
I
ways.
didn't know it was stolen.
I had some property right up on top of the hill over here.
Yeah, I
Motherfucker
got
stole some shit right down here.
I got 3 properties up here. I'm constantly having to throw people beatings for trying to get into my truck and shit. I'm right up here behind Moonlight. I got 3 properties up there.
Who got his trailer and his lawnmower?
Boy, ain't this motherfucker.
Probably the same cat he got the truck from.
Should I wrap around off? They get here real fast.
Guess the things to be late sometimes.
I give him all $300.
Grab me one out of there, Mike.
Thank you, sir.
What?
I gave him last $300 I had in my hand. Like I said, man, I think that's that truck back started.
There they are right there.
Tell them they're going the wrong way.
If you guys don't pay for it, I'll pay for it in there.
Where's your lawnmowers and
We bust
trailers?
you upside your head, then we call it in.
I'll pay for it.
Hey, so shut the fuck up.
Yeah, we saw the police. They went the wrong way over here to the gas station.
Hey, ain't even important right now.
You need to holler at your boy and tell him what's going on.
Yes, sir.
Right here at the gas station.
Yes, sir. Let me go.
This is
My number's in the slip. I'll work anything off for you. You understand?
all right, thank you.
I'm trying to do right, God. I swear to God, I didn't know it was stolen. I'm trying to do right, but I ain't got a job in that.
You gotta start with a screwdriver.
I broke the collar, but you better hope that police get everything from my grandson. I'm telling you what I know.
We ain't trying to kill nobody, but the point is, man, it's fucked up, but he needs his shit back too.
Keep working.
That's what I just told him. I will work my hardest to get everything back that you lost.
No, you know who got it. Who
You know
got
where
it?
it is. We want the
I
same
don't,
shit
I
back.
don't know. I mean, I can go looking for it.
We don't want. We don't want new shit.
Right here, right before I got to work.
We don't want new shit. We want the same shit
Okay,
back.
that's fine. I will find it. On my child's alert. I will find it.
He was good. His partner's up there. Good.
I will help. I will get your stuff back.
I don't need this anymore. 336.
That's my grandson's truck. My name is Wallace. Let me show you a picture.
He pulled a screwdriver, so my father pulled the gun out of the tow truck.
I'm not worried about all that. We're here for the stone, man. It's right here, so I didn't know that was stolen. Are you getting the paperwork? Are you getting the paperwork, bro? My wrist is already broken. I said my wrist is already broken. But they wouldn't let me sit down my own.
The streets, they turn me to a mall.